What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video, we're going to be talking about when Shiba blows up, what are we going to be doing and what do you need to do? How do you go about selling it? How do you go about going from it's on ShibaSwap or it's on MetaMask or it's on Coinbase wallet or whatever it's on? How do you get that back on your exchange, whether that be like crypto.com? That's what I'm going to be using today. And how do you go about selling it when you're ready to take your profits or just pull out and start buying Lamborghinis? Let's get right into today's video and I'll show you guys using crypto.com how to sell your Shiba Inu or any cryptocurrency for that matter so that you can start buying whatever you need to or taking your profits on your well-earned investments. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what it would be like if you were on the ShibaSwap, because I know a lot of people are on ShibaSwap and there's a lot that aren't. However, real quick, if you are on ShibaSwap, that's okay. What you wanna do is you wanna unstake or take out of unstake whatever you're doing or take out of liquidity if you're in liquidity. Whatever you're doing, get out of it and have it just free inside your account. If you would like to, you can swap it to Ethereum or something like that so that you'd lock in your profits, because that's one thing that people talk about is like with the volatility in the market, how do you get out of it and lock in your profits? Because it moves so fast. Like what if it moves away from where I wanted to sell it and now I'm stuck? Well, what you would do is you would take your Shiba Inu and you would switch it to a stable coin like USDT. And what you would do from there is you would basically just swap it straight over, and then now your Shiba Inu, instead of being valued as Shiba Inu, it will be turned into USDT and that price will be locked. Like I said, the reason why you'd want to do something like this is so that if the market is moving like crazy, as we know it can go up and down very, very, very fast. So if you see it up to a price that you like and you want to pull out, swap it over to a stable coin so that you're not locked in at anything or so that you can lock in your price at the price point that you're seeing it at on the chart. Once you do that, make sure that it's on your MetaMask or wherever, however you connected your wallet. Make sure it's there so that you can do it. If you need to add it as an asset, go ahead and do that. So make sure that you just have, if you swap it over to USDT, which is Tether, make sure you have Tether inside your MetaMask or Coinbase. For instance, if we take a look right here at Tether, all you would have to do is send and then make sure you put in your wallet address and just send it to the wallet address that is in crypto.com, Coinbase, or wherever you are sending your coins to. Once you do that, what you want to do is send it back over to your exchange, whether that be Binance, whatever the case is, whatever you're using. For me, it's going to be crypto.com. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to act like I moved my coins, just my Shiba Inu, didn't transfer anything, but I moved it straight over to my crypto.com. And now I'm going to show you guys on my phone how to actually go about selling it and taking your money out of whatever currency it is. And it doesn't just have to be Shiba Inu, like I said, it could be Ethereum, whatever you want to do. You pull it out of there and I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Okay guys, so now I'm here on my phone and what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to do this. So first things first, when you're on the home page, what you wanna do is, and as you can see, I have like no money in here because all of my cryptocurrency is currently on MetaMask. I just put a little $2 on here to show you guys as an example. So you're gonna go to accounts and you see this thing called Fiat Wallet. What you're gonna do is click on that. And if you haven't already set that up, that's fine. Go ahead and set that up. That is the first thing that you need to do. Choose your currency that you're in, whether that's USD or whatever. I'm not sure exactly. Okay, so as of right now, is that the only two? Let's see, like Australian. No. So it looks like the only two that they offer, at least for me on my screen, is USDT, which is US dollar, and not USDT, USD, and Euro, which is EUR. So those are the only two that I see right here. Maybe it's different for you, but I'm sure a lot of you are US dollars. So set it up under US dollar, and then it should give you an option to set up your bank account. And you'll need your account number, and you will need your routing number. Anyhow, all you have to do is click sell, and it will show the two things that you have. So I currently have Shiba Inu and Tether, whatever cryptocurrencies you have on here. So if we go back right here to account or crypto wallet, when you go on here, you will see everything that you have, okay? So like I said, I have literally nothing in here because I have everything on MetaMask. But if you were on here, all you'd have to do is whatever you have currently inside your crypto wallet, it will give you an option to sell that over here on your fiat wallet. The fiat wallet is where you're going to be able to take, let's say my Shiba Inu, and I wanted to sell it. That's all I have. All I have is 200,000. That was the minimum that I could buy just for this example. Then all you do is click sell, and you press confirm. You put in your thing. Once you've done that, right here as you can see, and you put in your password, it'll just show you. You sold 200,000 SHIB. I just got an email verification. And so now just tap to continue and boom. So now when I refresh my page, Let me go back to my fiat wallet. Now I have $1.23, which is how much 200,000 Shiba Inu is worth. And then from there, all you do is you press transfer, withdraw, USD, or whatever currency, and then you set up your bank account. And that's it, guys. You add a bank right here. Let's say you didn't already set this up. If you go in here, you just press continue and you choose your bank, guys. All you gotta do. Bank of America, they have all different types of stuff on here. Click on Bank of America, and then you just sign in with your account, and there you go. It's that simple, guys, and it's pretty straightforward. For me, I know that I get a lot of these questions in my comments and in the private sessions that I do. If you guys have not already heard about them, I do private one-on-one sessions, so just check out my Patreon link in the description. I have something set up where it's $50 a month, and you get a one-on-one session with me, video chat or just voice chat, whatever you choose. And then you will basically get a 1-hour session to talk about literally anything. I have a lot of skin in the game when it comes to real estate, cryptocurrencies, stock, all different stuff like that. I'm very knowledgeable about those things. So if you guys want to talk about those things, we could definitely talk about that. And not just those things, we could talk about chart analysis or shibaswap and what's the best thing for you. We can literally talk about anything as far as finance. I'm not a financial advisor. However, we can do some consulting where we can try to come up to an understanding on what's best for you. So if you guys want to check that out, check out the Patreon link in the description. And after you've done all those steps, the last thing that you have to do to finalize your transaction is go down and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'm just kidding, but it really does help me out a lot. Please go down there and smash that YouTube like button, or smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm to push this video out to as many people as possible and help me grow as a channel and as a content creator. So if you guys would like to do that, help me out, please. But seriously, on a real note, the last thing that you guys need to do after transferring that to your bank account, it's time to start buying Lambos, baby. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, no jokes, for real. After you take out your transaction and you move and transfer it over to your bank, it's time to start thinking about what exactly you guys want to do with your money that you're going to be withdrawing from Shiba Inu. And not just Shiba Inu. I know a lot of people want to buy and hold this literally forever, which is completely fine, and that's awesome. I'm happy for you guys. However, I know a lot of people want to take profits and a lot of people want to sell at some point. So whenever that point is for you guys, what are you going to be doing with your profits? I will put out this little gem right here for myself, and it basically is exposing what everybody who has a lot of money and wants generational wealth, or has attained generational wealth, or is just very wealthy, how they think. Their mindset is very different. So rather than buying a Lamborghini, and I know we all say that as jokes, but rather than buying something expensive or some type of item, we should be thinking about how to reinvest that money to make you more money. If your money is not making you money, and whether that's right now or when you cash out on Shiba Inu or on any other cryptocurrency that you make a lot of money from, you guys need to be thinking about what you're going to do in the future when it comes to real estate or diversifying in anything. It doesn't have to be real estate, it doesn't have to be stocks, it doesn't have to be anything. Whether that be starting a business or anything like that, you guys need to be thinking about what's the next step for you with your profits, because it's a big deal and it's something that is inevitable. You guys are gonna make profits. I believe in you guys, and as long as you stick in and buy in and hold and don't just buy and sell every time you see something go down, you'll be okay. So make sure that you guys are thinking about what's next for you, not just what's right in front of you with Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. And I'll plug the Patreon one more time because this is something that I'm very passionate about and something that I've helped a lot of other people do. If you guys would like to set up a one-on-one video chat or anything to talk about something like that, like what's next for you after you take profits from your cryptocurrency, like I said, whether that's, wait a second. Oh, sorry, I thought something was wrong with my camera. But whether that be taking profits from Shiba Inu or taking profits from any other cryptocurrency that you're investing in, if you guys are trying to figure out how you want to diversify, what's the first steps in real estate? What's the first steps in starting a new business? What are some good ideas? Bouncing some ideas off of each other and just having somewhere in a safe space to talk about things that you might not have another place to talk to, you can go ahead and talk to me. Just check out the Patreon link down in the description, like I said, and not only will you get that one-on-one video chat, but you will get a lot of other great benefits that are listed all on there. So anyways, if you guys learned something new and enjoyed the content today, please smash that like button and please smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me and with all this great content that I got coming out for you guys. I do this for you guys. And I really appreciate when I see all good comments and positivity in the comment section, and also seeing the likes go up and the subscribers go up. It really motivates me to keep going, and I really appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting on this channel. Anyhow, thank you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next video. Do not forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.